Okay, this is day 2 of Live Below the Line, and tonight we've got vegetable soup with lentils, which are left over from yesterday. I'm just eyeing it up, and you can see it here for your very own eyes. There it is. Looks pretty hearty actually, but let's see how it goes. And there you have it.